Everyone, hurry up! Our family picnic starts at 10.
What time is it now?
What time is it now?
It's 9:20. Good, let's leave now. I'm almost ready.
Ho?
I know, what are you round? Then we shall have you plies frying.
Yay!
Liz?
Is this our bus?
Let's check.
It's bus 18.
We need bus 81.
Good morning! 4 tickets to Green Park, please. Welcome aboard.
Why aren't we moving?
There is road work ahead.
Don't worry, we'll get there.
Grandma, we may arrive a little late.
That's okay. Travel safely.
Oh no! I forgot my waddle.
That's all right.
That's all right. We'll buy one near the park. Green Park! This is your stop.
Everyone, get off carefully.
Which way is Grandma?
Let's check the map.
There are so many paths.
Excuse me, where is the rose garden?
Walk straight, then turn right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Look! Balloons!
Grandma must be there. Welcome!
We're so happy to see you.
I'm happy you're here.
The sandwiches are delicious. Let's play football.
Great idea!
We're sorry we're late.
That's all right. You arrived safely.
It's time to go home. Thank you for coming.
We had a wonderful day. Every journey is happier when families help each other.
Mom, Dad, you'll come to my soccer final today, right?
Of course, sweetheart.
Of course, sweetheart. Good luck, champion. We'll see you there. Goal! Liam wins the championship!
Yeah! We did it!
Congratulations, Liam!
Mom, Dad, where are you? Maybe they forgot about today. I guess winning doesn't matter that much.
Special delivery for Liam.
A surprise? For me? Surprise! Wow! I can't believe this!
We watched every second live.
We're proud of you, always.
I thought you forgot me.
Never, sweetheart. You're our greatest champion.
Thank you, Mom and Dad.
A parent's love is always with you, even when you can't see it.
Thanks for watching.